How to lock your iPhone to on app. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, find and tap on Accessibility option. Here, scroll to the bottom. Under the General section, tap on Guided Access. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Now click on the passcode settings. After that, tap on Set Guided Access Passcode. Now set a 4-digit passcode and re-enter it again. Next, go back to the previous page and click on Time Limits. Here, tap on Sound. Select your preferred sound. Go back to the previous page. After that, turn on the toggle. Next, to the Speak option. This will notify the users when the timer is going to end. Now go back to the previous page and make sure the accessibility shortcut is turned on. Next, open the app that you want to lock and click on the power button for 3 times continuously. Here at the top right corner, tap on Start. From now on, you can close the app, open any app and can't go to the home page. To exit this again, click on the power button for 3 times continuously. It will prompt you to enter the passcode. Enter it. After that, at the top left corner, click on End. Now you can close the app and open any app. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.